No. Well, I'm supposed to know. Alright, the goal is to get to the mailbox. See if we did it. That's pretty crazy. Okay. Alright. Here's the mobile. Oh my god. It's so deep. Look at that. That is crazy. Alright, that's my neighbor. I really hope my other neighbor comes over and plows us out. You know, this probably would have been better if I went to the driveway. Because at least there are... Oh. Can't see because my hood makes it impossible. Alright, it's not so bad up here. So survive. Oh my goodness. It's not actually that cold, but it's really beautiful. Alright, getting down. There's the mailbox. The whole reason we came down in the hopes that there's mail. Oh, that is crazy. My shoe is about to come off. And in the mailbox there is mail! All of this because Netflix. Why? Because we're supposed to watch Outlander today. It's the first disc of Outlander. Now I gotta go back to the house. Oh boy. Maybe I should go through the driveway. The truck said no. Because reasons. Oh, look at that. That's insane. Oh. Oof. Oh. This would be really entertaining if I fell, but I'm really hoping I don't. There's the house. No kitties in the window because Trevor just fed them. Oh. Holy carp. I mean, look at that. The snow is up to my knees. We didn't even barely even have that much. Oh. We're back. Hooray!